Today is September 18th, 2025. I want to finish my walk along my older fig plums. It's very windy today. Let's see how it will work. If sound is too bad, I probably will redo it. Anyways, right now I'm by some tree which is called Panacha asprasicum. It is a green fig with red inside. Unfortunately, it's not very productive, at least in my conditions. Maybe I just need to prune it more heavy. It grows very vigorously, but I don't have many fruits. Right now I could not find fruits. But I also have raspberry latte grafted onto it. So let me try to find this fruit, for example. Yeah, so this is raspberry latte on my Panacha asprasicum. So raspberry latte seems to be a hybrid also between palmata and carica. I'm not sure about it, but I suspect it is. Anyways, it's a big black fig with a very large eye inside. Very nice. It's very jammy, sweet, very tight, but not a lot of acidity here. Yeah, nice fig, nice large black fig. Panacha fig is another fig here. So yeah, it kind of produces mostly in one wave, and I had quite a good production on this tree this year. I complained about it last year. The production is fine, so this year, but right now it is kind of that wave is gone, and now I have just a few fruits. These are absolutely excellent figs. It's very popular but very easily accessible fig, but it's an excellent berry type fig. Black Madera fig is here. Yeah, this is one of my real favorites, and I really love complexity of Black Madera. I really like, the level of sweetness is not crazy sweet. That's what I also like about it. It's still very sweet, but it's also very complex. The tree grows, but it doesn't grow, for example, as fast as Panacha grows. So this is a Black Madera. It's much shorter. It's about 6 feet now after 3 seasons in the ground. That's in the 4th season now, I believe. Yeah, excellent fig. Eager fig is a fun fig, so it's a small, medium in size for the fruits. The tree grows very fast, the production is high, always have fruits on it. This fig is very dense. I would say it's on a kind of a drier side fig, but it's very concentrated. It also has good acidity and strong seed crunch. Galissia Negra fig is here. So Galissia Negra, fast growing fig, it's non-precocious. It produces, but it's not crazy productive. But I see quite a bit of fruits actually now here. But it's one of the best flavored figs with very dense and very dark flesh. Excellent complexity in the flavor. Genovese narrow fig is here. So it's almost dark, almost blue, black outside, bright red inside. Very nice berry type fig, good sweetness, very little acidity I would say, and significant seed crunch. It is kind of a medium in its density, so it's both meaty and juicy. Bordan Negous is a very vigorous tree and very highly productive tree. So I have still plenty of fruit on it. It has a little bit of striping. Yeah. It's truly one of my favorite figs. It's a very complex, good sugar, good acidity, and excellent complexity and excellent texture too. Bordan Noir is excellent jammy fig, probably identical to Violet de Soleil, which I probably already did a video on in this row. It's another part of the row. Yeah, excellent jammy, very large fruits fig, and very productive and fast growing too. Martinada fig tree here. So it's about 7 foot now, so it's not really fast growing tree, but it's very productive. It's not early, but in the season I mean, but it is productive. This is one of my favorites, but for some people might be a little bit too much of acidity, but for me it's just perfect. So I have multiple Martinenka Rimada trees and I really love it. Ishe black fig tree can be excellent. So some fruits are truly excellent. At some point I was going to remove this tree, but I decided that I need at least one tree of this. So, and I left it. So yeah, some fruits are excellent, some are not so. Yeah, Ishe black, it's kind of, I wasn't sure about it, but I think I need to have this tree. Yeah, it's a quite complex. The good fruits can be really complex and nice, and it's very sweet. This is so unusual. It's September 11th, 18th, and I have rains going now. And we were like 98 yesterday. And today we have rain. That's so weird. Anyways, in my hand I have white Madera. I don't think it needs any introduction. So white Madera is an excellent green fig with a bright red flesh, very complex, really excellent fig. Bouas' favorite figs here. Yeah, these are absolutely excellent fruits, very large fruits. The tree is tall and fast growing, and it's precocious, and it's very productive. Quite a few fruits still on September 11th, 18th. So the fig flavor is very sweet with a good acidity and quite good complexity. Bordan Negous figs here. So it looks like the first wave is almost done and now the new wave is coming, but I still have some fruits on this tree. This tree is not very large. By now it's probably 7-8 foot tall. Yeah, so this is one of absolutely excellent figs, definitely one of my favorites. It's a berry type, very complex. The fruits are not very large for me, maybe medium size. It's a kind of, yeah, a little bit light blue outside and red, but not very bright red inside. So Bordan Negous is absolutely excellent dense fig.